appreneurs, app moguls, Christopher Wilson back, and we're continuing our work on our ebook and audio book. Okay, as you can see, I made a few changes here from my original. I'll show you my original real quick. Yeah, let's see. Made a few changes just to show you, because I didn't like those letters going over my my image there. So change it up a little bit, and we're going to use white instead of the dark. We're going to use the light. Yeah. So anyway, let's continue on. And as you can see, I went ahead and continue to fill these out. A few of these I didn't hide yet, but I'll get to it. So let's go to, yeah, we got one more chapter left. Let's go to 17. Okay. Let's go to our, let's see. Let's go to our text again. We're going to the last chapter. And what we're going to do is, let's go to 17. What are we at? 13. And go to 17. 15. All right. $17. Okay. So let's go ahead and first I'm going to copy that. Put that on the custom page. I don't know what's going on with my dog over here. Okay. Paste it there. Okay. Go to content. And we're going to take this whole thing right here. This will be the last chapter. Before the end. And that should be it. Okay. Let's copy that. Go to view. We're going to go to source code. And of course, paste it. All right. Now what we're going to have to do is, oh, that's 17. Summary of the science of getting rich. All right. So what we're going to have to do is do that. We're going to put this in the middle. Let's go to our formatting. Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay, put that in the middle. Now, actually, we're going to, okay. Put that a little bit. Okay. All right. Let's make this format. I think we want to go to, no, what we want to do is put a heading 1 on it, right? Or a heading 2, I'm sorry. Let's put a heading 2. And of course we have to break it down to our paragraphs here. But before we do that, let me show you something that you can do. You may can add to your book. And I'm thinking about adding to this book anyway. You can insert images. Matter of fact, let's do that. Let's insert an image. Oh wait, I want the image to be right here. Okay, let's insert an image. Upload. Browse for an image. And yeah, here we got a few images here. Let's put let's see, that's Napoleon right there. I mean, not Napoleon. Wallace. Wally D. Put that there. Let's put that there. And you can resize the image, of course. But let's see how big it is. Okay. Leave that as the summary. Something like that. And then, of course, you know, indent to show you paragraphs. Let's see. How did I do it on my first one? Activities on 17. Let me take my picture out of here too. Okay, 17 is right here. content. Thought. Okay. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every 6 lines or so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, something like that. I don't know why it didn't format on its own, but you know, thought. Let's try this. Okay. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's try that. All right. Let's go down some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make this a little longer. Okay. All right. All right. Gratitude. All right. Thank you for and the end. All right. Let's see. All right. Looks good. Okay. And this one, you got a little book there. So, like I said, that's your option. You can put, a little image there on every chapter if you want. If not, you can just leave the text. Okay. So far, so good. Alrighty. And let's save. And, let's go to settings real quick. I'm going to hide the activity. Okay, save it. Now, I'm going to show you something that we're still not finished, but we're getting there. All right. Now, you see these aren't hidden, okay? So we got to go back and hide these. So just go to activities real quick. This is one. So go to edit, hide, save it. Okay. Go to activities and hide two. Hide it. I'm trying to think if there's a faster way to do this, but actually I already did it. If I can right click and do it. Let's see. And right click on this one. In other words, right click on all of them and just hide it. Let's see that one. This one. Okay. And make that hide, save changes. Okay. And yeah, we should be good. Okay. Or maybe not. Let's see. Okay, they're all hidden. So now we go look and they're hidden. All right. Now, next thing we have to do is go ahead and put our hidden Andromo links on our ebook for our chapters. So let's open this up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it like this. Just make another tab. Okay. And let's go to content right here. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. I think we did preface already, if I'm not mistaken. But oh no, that's not supposed to happen. Let's see. Duplicate, right? Okay. Let's go to activities. Preface. Now we can do this one by one, or we can actually list these, put these on a text notepad or something like that. But let's do it like that. Preface. Okay. And link. I think I did this one already, but let's do it again. CF was the last 24 CF. Yep. Current window, save. Okay. Then, like I said, I may just like right click on all these, open them all up, doing one by one. That will speed the process up. Let's go to chapter 1. Copy that. And chapter 1. Oh, matter of fact, let's look at 8148, right? All right, 8148. Insert link. Yeah, we already did that one. Okay, good. All right. Let's go to chapter 2. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and open up all these. Get another, open new link. All right. I'm going to do these 3, then I'm going to stop and let you all continue to finish yours, then we're going to pick it back up. Okay? So, we're on chapter 2, right? This is chapter 2. Copy that. Go back. Chapter 2, and I didn't see the last 4 on that. Oh, look at that. You do it like that. Link. Paste. Okay, just found out something new again. Okay, that was, yeah, 5E. Yep, that was 5E. All right, I just found something else out. Okay, let's go to the next one. And see, this will save you a ton of time. This method I'm using right now, I believe it will. D4439. Let's see, copy that. It's for chapter 3. What is that 9 at the end? I don't know why I got that on there. I'm gonna leave it for now. Right click, link. Okay, paste ours there. All right, 439, yep. Okay. Do another one. Okay, let's copy that. 12A1. Right click, link, paste. Okay, and got those. So what I'm going to do is finish these up. Finish these up, and we'll see you in the next training or the continuation of this video. Save your changes.